Good morning, children. So, welcome to the ADS class. Let's start the new lesson. That is air around us. So, that is air. What is our next lesson? Air around us. So, children, where is air? So, air is all around us. So, here is air, here is air, here is air, here is air, here is air. So, everywhere there is air. So, air is all around us. So, can we see the air, children? Can we see the air? No, we cannot see the air. We can just feel it. We can just feel the air. See, children. So in this lesson we are going to learn the properties of air, causes of air pollution, ways to reduce the pollution. See. So air is all around us, but you cannot see. You can only feel it. So can we see the air? No, we cannot see the air. We can only feel the air. Yes, children, see. So for this one, there is one activity. Take a balloon and blow air into it. So do one thing. So everyone take a balloon. So do this activity later. Take a balloon, blow it. So what we are blowing in the balloon? So what is this? Air. What is this? Air. So it becomes big. Yes or not? So balloon gets its shape. Now keep its mouth open. Can you feel the air come out of the balloon? Now after blowing, just don't hold it tight. Just keep the mouth of the balloon open and keep it somewhere on your face or any of the body part. You can feel the air. You can feel the air coming out of the balloon. But can you see that? No. No, we cannot see that. So see, children. Can you feel the air come out of the balloon? Can you feel? So, can you feel that air coming out of the balloon? Yes. Can you see this air? Can you see the air coming out of the balloon? No. Okay, children, do that activity. Next, coming to the properties of air. So, now we are going to learn the properties of air. See, children, what are the properties of air? Air moves things. Air moves things. And the next activity is air fills spaces. Air fills the spaces. Air expands on heating. Air expands on heating. And the next is air has weight. Air has weight. Air has pressure. Air has oxygen and other gases. The next is air has water vapor. All this you have to learn, children. Air has water vapor. And the last is air has germs. So, see here, first air moves things. Air moves the things. For example, take a kite. Fly in the sky. If there is air, then only the kite will move. So, air moves the things. And when the fast moving air, that is called as wind. What is fast moving air is called wind. When there is fast moving air, then what happens? All the leaves of the trees, the clothes hanging on the ropes, everything starts moving. Yes? See? Air moves things. When air moves, it is called wind. When air moves, it is called wind. Wind can make things move. It can push sailboats, turn windmills, make clouds move, push the water in the seas and cause waves. It can move the leaves and branches of a tree. It can also make your kite fly high up in the sky. So because of the moving things, sailboats means boats in the water, they move. Trees from on the branches of the trees, they move. Kites fly high in the sky. Water in the seas and oceans have waves when there is wind, and also turn windmills. See children, you can see here, what are these called as? Eventi windmills. What are these called as? Windmills. So when there is fast moving air, that is wind, windmills start moving. When windmills move, then they generate electricity. What is the use of windmills? They generate, and from that we get the electricity. From that we get electricity. Okay, let's see some of the examples here. The things. See children, so just now we have learned that air moves the things. The next property of the air is air fills space. Air fills space. So empty space. So air fills the empty space. See children, air can move into empty spaces and fill however small or big they are. Take a glass. So in this glass we see that the glass is empty. Is the glass empty? No, it is filled with the air. It is filled with air. So because we cannot see the air, we can't see the air inside the glass. Yes, now coming to the tires. So what are this? Bicycle tires or the different vehicles tires. So without air, how the tires will be? It get flattened. Can we use the vehicles with this type of tires? No. So tires also should be filled with air to move, or else it gets flattened. See one of the examples. So see children, so what is the next property? Air expands on heating. So air expands on heating. So air ella expand aitundi on heating. See children, so here is one of the activity. A balloon is fixed to the mouse. So what are the materials you have to take here? A bottle, a balloon, and some hot water in a tumbler. Okay, see what you have to do in this activity. See children, what you have to take? Hot water in a tumbler, a balloon fixed to a water bottle, and place it in the hot water tumbler. See, observe the balloon, how fast it was and how it is becoming now. The balloon is getting expand. Why? Because it is kept in the hot water and the air expands on heating, and the air expands on heating. Now remove the balloon and now let's place it in the cold water tumbler. So the same, let's place it in the cold water. Okay, see, let's see what happens. See, again balloon got into its same position. See, Now it is kept into the cold water. So first hot water నుంచి తీసిన తర్వాత బెలూన్ సేమ్ పొజిషన్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత then you have to keep it in the cold water tumbler. Is it getting expand? Is it getting expand? No. See how its size has become? Again it became as a small balloon. Is it getting expand on heating? No. The activity is air expands on heating. So when you keep it in the hot tumbler, hot water tumbler, then the balloon gets expand. Again when you keep it in the cold water tumbler, it won't. Okay, see the children. The next activity, air has weight. Air has weight. So let's see this activity now. See children here. To take two balloons, blow one balloon, fill with air, take a string, tie one of the balloon seam and the other balloon which is filled with air, the balloon, blown balloon. See, now see the weight of the balloon. So which balloon is going down? Which is blown with air, means the which balloon is filled with air is going down. So it means what children? It means the air has weight, means the balloon which is filled with air goes down. See in this also you can see the football filled with air, the football which is got flattened, so which is going down? The blown which has air, football is going down, means air has weight. Through this we can say that air has weight. Okay children. See children, so the next is air has pressure. It can push things and occupy space. Air can also push the things. See children, for this activity you need to take a tumbler or some food color, a glass, a candle and a matchbox. Okay, let's do this activity. See. So what does it mean children? The air which is filled in the glass tumbler pushes and the water occupies that space. So through this we can say air has pressure. Okay, so today we have gone through 5 properties of air. First is air moves the things, air fills the space, and air expands on heating, air has weight, and also air has pressure. Okay children, if possible try all these activities to do at home. Okay.